Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. In this video session, I'm going to explain a Boolean values in Python. Boolean values always return result in terms of true or false. Let's start the session. Suppose first expression we have bool and value is 3, bool of 3, and this is because any non-zero integer is considered true in Python. Since 3 is a non-zero number, so bool of 3 evaluates to true. So the result will be true. The output will be true. Bool of 3 will give you true output. Next one is bool of parenthesis, empty parenthesis and single quotes. Any empty string is considered false in Python and result will be false like this. Bool of empty string will return to you false value. Next one is bool and then index 0. Index 0 is a list containing a single element, that is 0. In Python, an empty list is false, but a non-empty list, even if it is contains 0, is considered true. And since index of 0 is non-empty, bool of 0 evaluates to true, and result will be true. Bool cat, string is a cat. Any non-empty string is considered true in Python. Non-empty. Since cat is a non-empty string, bool of cat evaluates to true. Result will be true. Next one is not dog. The not operator negates the truthiness of a value. So dog is a non-empty string which is true. Due to this not, it will return false. The final result will be false. Next one is not and this index bracket, and an empty list is considered false in Python, but due to not operator, it will become true. The result will be true. Not of empty list, the result will be true. Here I have given a Python program output. Here I have written just like print bool of 3, bool of empty string, then bool of where index of 0, then bool of cat, not of dog, not of empty list. The results are showing on the right side in terms of true, false, true, true, false, and true. Thank you so much, students. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Jazakallah khair.